Hello everyone. Welcome to 7 Days Challenge series. Today is day 6 and I have brought you 3 more new set of words and you can use it in your daily conversation. Have you forgotten to watch day 1 to 5 episodes? I have given you the link in the description box. Kindly watch it. The picture which is on your screen, what emotion does it depict? What word would you use to express this emotion? The word we will learn today is doleful. 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 It's an adjective. Full of grief, cheerless, mournful, expressing sorrow. In Tamil to be said, dukkam niraindha. Let's learn the sentence. Do you know how to come out of a doleful mood? One more sentence. The casualty of yesterday's road accident was a doleful record. Let's hear the second word. Baffle. 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 Kulapu. Lacking in understanding. To get puzzled or confused. Remember the verb patterns. So ஒரு sentence நீங்கள் எழுதும்போதோ இல்லை கான்வர்சேஷனில் யூஸ் பண்ணும்போதோ வேர்பை கரெக்டாக யூஸ் பண்ணணும். So here the verb baffle changes this way. Baffle, baffled, baffled, baffling. Okay? So let's see the sentence. One of the exam questions baffled Daniel completely. One more sentence. I am baffled by the sudden change in your behavior towards me. Let's see the third word. Soaring. 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 It means moving high. An eagle is soaring. Let's see the example for the clearer understanding. The cost of living is soaring in all metro cities. One more sentence. The eagle was soaring high in the clouds. Well done. That's all for today. So, I hope that you are now be aware of how and when to use these words. So go ahead and use it in various relevant situations. Make sentences and drop them in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.